So let's talk about accessing music inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So to access music inside of Microsoft Windows 10, you can go to the Start menu and then you can access an app called Group Music. So over here, you can see that there's Group Music. So if I were to open up that music right over here, you can see that there's nothing on my library right now because I haven't added any music onto library. So to add in music onto my library, I can open up my file explorer right over here. And then what I can do is on my music right over here, under the libraries music, I can add in any of the audio files and it'll show up over there. So to do that, I'm going to go over to my PC. I'm going to go to my YouTube drive right over here. And inside my audio, you can see that there are a lot of files. So I'm going to drag in 8-year anniversary on to my music right over here. So once I do that, what I can do is I can go on back to Group Music and you can see the 8-year anniversary right over here. So what I can do is I can play the audio over here. So the audio is playing, as you can hear. I can pause the audio, and if you have a lot of audio right here, you can also shuffle and do everything else. So let me just play the audio. You can decrease the volume right over by decreasing the slider right over here, or by increasing the slider right over here. So that increases and decreases the volume, just like that. What if you want to select a particular folder? So in that case, what you can do is you can actually go to my music, and over here not finding everything, so as where to look for the music. So simply click on it, and here you'll be able to add a folder where you can search for the music. So just press the plus button right over here, and then I'm going to go over to this PC, and then from this PC I'm going to go to TutorTube right over here, and here I'll be able to access my audio. So I'm going to add this folder to music just like this. So I'm going to add this folder onto music just like this. So audio just like this, and then I'm going to press OK, and here you are now able to see all of the music right here just like this. So I can play this around, and there you go. I can shuffle it out, so whenever the music actually ends playing, it'll shuffle out and play out different music according to like what it decides. So you can shuffle out the music, you can repeat out the music. So you want to really listen to this music, let's say, you can play this out and you can press the repeat button, so it actually repeats out the music for you. So this is how you can manage music. Another simple thing you can do to actually play music is to go to the MP3 or the music file itself, and then you can directly open this. So if you were to just simply double click it, Group Music is actually accessible and you get the same settings. But if you want everything to be there on your Group Music app itself, then it might help to actually keep everything together just by using the library just like that. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.